Hi, my name is Mohammad Hashim Chaudhary. I have completed my masters from Jamia Millia Islamia, which is a Delhi-based central university. Currently, I am a trainee in ASIC batch in Pioneering Academy. I have completed multiple projects in Pioneering Academy. Today, I am going to demonstrate how to make a function f is equal to x plus y into z का whole bar. This is a schematic of Boolean function f is equal to x plus y into z का whole bar. As we know that wherever there is an OR operation being performed in the NMOS, it connected in parallel and in PMOS is in series. Similarly, there is an AND operation being performed in the NMOS is connected in series and PMOS in parallel. As we all know that layout is an important step towards integrated circuit. So first step is to make the schematic of that Boolean expressions. Then after that, second step is to make the stick diagram of that expression. After that, we will make the layout. This is a layout of that Boolean expressions. In Boolean expressions, first of all, by using Euler formula, we can make the stick diagram. Then after that, make the layout. This layout is very compact. In layout, we can check the physical verifications by using with the help of PVS tool given in the Cadence. To open the PVS, then go to the run, then select the run data and go to the browsing point and select the Hashim 45 is my technology run directory. Then go to the set rule files and to provide this the path technology mapping files on that. We are using in this GPDK 045 PVS technology. After that, we applied to click on the apply button, then press yes. This shows the E0, that is DRC clean, and after that whenever DRC is clean, then go to the LVS sections, then close this one, then go to again PVS sections and go to the run LVS and press run LVS, then select the rule set GPDK 045 PVS technology library, then select the run data and the run directory as a Hashim 45 technology library attached with this one, and press on apply button and then press OK. This shows the LVS is clean. LVS is matched with schematic. LVS provide the functionality matched with the schematic with layout versus schematic. So in our circuitry, the LVS is clean and DRC is also clean. DRC provides the manufacturing point of view. Whenever DRC is clean, then foundry ensure to create your circuitry in hardware. That was all. Thank you.